So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Walmart stock, ticker symbol WMT, in Canada on Questrade. So open up Questrade, go to the top right, or press on the green buy/sell button. Either one will take you to the next screen. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol WNT for Walmart Incorporated, then go ahead and press on that. Now once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Now once you're on this screen, you can either go to share quantity order or dollar amount order, whatever one you're looking to do. Once that is done, press on the green button at the bottom that says next, and then proceed with the following steps. So very simple, very to the point. This is how to buy Walmart stock, ticker symbol WMT, in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.